We'll guide you through how to make YouTube shorts from regular YouTube videos. Let's get right into this. Firstly, you just need to open up the regular YouTube app, and then what you need to do is go to your channel. So I'm just going to go and click on my icon in the top right and then tap on your channel. And then what you want to do is go and find the YouTube video which you want to go and create a short from. So for example, I may want to make a short from, let's say this video here, how to turn on flash for notifications on iPhone. After you've clicked on the video, then all you need to do is go just below your channel name to this carousel of options, and you just need to go and click on remix. And as you can see, we then have these 4 different options. We've got edit into a short, sound, cut, and green screen. So in this case, I want to go and press edit into a short. As you can see, the option is only available to you. It's only available to the creator and the uploader of the video. I'll click there. This short editor will open, and then what you can do is go to the top right, and as you can see at the moment it's set to 15, and this will be the length of the short. If you click on that 15, it will then change it to 60. After you've set the time to 60, what this means is you've now just got the maximum time frame of 60 seconds. You could just say have a 23-second short if you wanted to. So you can go and drag the start and end point to get the exact part you want, and you can also just move the entire thing as well. So there's quite a lot of things you can do, but make sure you've got the part of the video you want to make into a short selected, like this, and then just click on next in the bottom right. Now you'll be taken to the next part of the editing process, and at the bottom you can go and add text, voiceover, you can look at the timeline, and you can also add filters and Q&As as well. So let's go and tap on text. I could go and type in example like this, and at the top you can go and change the font as well, and you can change the color, the styling of it, so many different things you can go and change. And once you're happy with it, go and press done. And then of course you can add a voiceover, you can look at the timeline, and with that I could then say change the length that the text appears for. When you're happy with it, just press done. And then you've also got filters as well. So there's a lot of things you can go and edit, and it's really cool. Once you're happy with it, you can then just go to the top and go and click on next like this. You'll get taken to the add details page, and you can go and caption your shorts, and you can then go and choose a few other settings like the visibility, the audience, and anything else down here. And once you're ready, you can then just go and tap on upload short like this, and it's now uploading to your videos. You can tap on see video, and as you can see, it's now uploading and it's processing. It won't take long to upload because you're sort of doing it all on YouTube anyway. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.